Guess who decided to join YouTube in 2021? You, me, moi. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Gigi and this is Create with Gigi. In this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to construct a garment from a paper to a complete garment. By paper, I mean from a pattern to a complete garment. So I'm going to be showing you various ways to achieve that dream look you are after in sense of fashion. And I'm going to show you how to style some of your pieces if you really need it, I don't know. And I'm also going to show you how to make clothing for little children. I don't mean your basic clothing, I mean elegant clothing for little children. Okay, and so before you leave this channel, I need you to please click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos I'm going to be posting. The next video I'm going to post will be on how to take your full body measurement. I don't mean just your normal 15 points or so. I am talking about 30 or more points of measurement, in-depth, accurate measurements to help you fulfill all your garment construction dreams. So this is me. My name is Gigi once again, and this is Create with Gigi. Give me a thumbs up and like my video. I am so grateful to be here. Thank you and peace out. It's nice, you. Ay, 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 ay. Wow, 2021, and here I am. I want to keep an open mind, and an open mind because an open mind learn better. But who asked you, motivational speaker now? Easy, the person's a liar. How does Patricia Bright do it? And you're here because you love me, right? Okay. No. Hola. Should I try it in Italian? Ciao. Hello. My name is Gigi and you're welcome to Create with Gigi. Boobs are meant to bounce. Hello and welcome to Create with Gigi. Wow! Guess who decided to show up on YouTube? Me. Hello and welcome to Create with Gigi. Oh God, this thing hard though. Oh la la, you know easy oh. Ah, who told me to go and start channel? My name is Ginevra and this is Create with Gigi. Gigi. Kabus. Hey. So I'm ready to go for take two because I think it's good for us to know each other a little bit. Yeah. Say that you won't regret this and you're going to love me. I know because I love me too. In my next video. Thank you. And give me the thumbs up. Don't forget.